Hi there. Today we're here to talk about CGA, which is short for Consumer Guarantees Act. Firstly, I'll be talking about who it applies to. CGA can apply to all sorts of businesses. For example, businesses that sell products that are typically used for personal or household users, even including second-hand businesses like TradeMe. It also applies to businesses that sell services, such as banks, tradespeople, professionals, and other businesses that provide service for personal or household use. Lastly, it applies to manufacturers, importers, and distributors, specifically businesses that make or process products. This includes businesses that import or distribute products made overseas. Next, I will talk to you about what a consumer is. A consumer is defined as an individual who purchases, uses, maintains, and disposes of products or services. Did you buy something to eat today? If so, that makes you a consumer. What guarantees are given to consumers? Under the Act, your consumer rights are expressed as a series of guarantees a seller automatically makes to you when you buy any good or service. Retailers and other suppliers guarantees their goods will be of an acceptable quality and fit for purpose. Match the description given in ads and samples. Be owned by the consumer once purchased, be of a reasonable price, and delivered on time. Manufacturers guarantee that spare parts and repair facilities will be available for a reasonable time, they will honor any written warranty that comes with their product, and that goods are of an acceptable quality. Service providers guarantee their services will be performed within reasonable care and skill, fit for the particular purpose they are supplied for, completed within a reasonable time and a reasonable price. Acceptable quality means goods do what they are meant to do, are acceptable in appearance and finish, are free from minor defects, and are safe and durable. What rights do consumers have when they are unsatisfied with the goods or services? If something goes wrong, you have the right to insist the seller fixes things. If the stitching comes apart on those brand new shoes you bought last month, you don't have to track down the manufacturer or importer. You simply take them back to the shop, and if it can be fixed, the retailer can choose to repair the item, replace it, or issue a refund. If the problem can't be fixed or can't be put right within a reasonable time, you can reject it, claim compensation, cancel the service contract, and have it repaired elsewhere, because you are entitled to a refund by cash, check, or credit card reversal. In addition, consumers may also claim for foreseeable extra costs. If your new washing machine won't work, you can claim for laundry costs. And if a 6-month washing machine is replaced because it's faulty, and there was originally a 12-month manufacturer's warranty on it, this warranty will be 6 months to run on the new machine. If there's a problem with the retailer, you can complain to the manufacturer, or where the goods were imported from. Where there's been a breach of the Act, manufacturers and importers are obliged to pay compensation and honour any express warranty they gave. Is it possible to contract out of the Consumer Guarantees Act? The answer is yes, but only under certain situations. Businesses who sell products or services have a right to opt out if the products or services they sell will be used for commercial or business purposes. A retailer or supplier must not tell you the CGA does not apply or try to get you to sign a contract saying it doesn't. The only exception is when you, as the buyer and seller, agree to this, the agreement is in writing, and it is fair and reasonable to do so. A business who tries to contract out the CGA in any other circumstances commits an offence under the Fair Trade Act. The practical consequences of the CGA for business practices. This law applies equally to all businesses, whether they are well-established businesses, internet traders, and temporary operations. The Act is enforced if you break any of these rules. If you and your customer can't reach an agreement, your customer can choose to take the matter to a court or a disputes tribunal. In 2013, a customer from Big Save Furniture in Auckland brought a mattress that was advertised as a firm mattress. However, when later inspected by the manufacturer, it was discovered that the bed was in fact rated soft. This gave the customer grounds for a claim under the CGA, and after lodging this complaint in the disputes tribunal, she was awarded with a $5,000 refund.